iPhone users must be familiar with the above situations, and it is exactly a nightmare for them while failing to link iPhone to Wi-Fi. The tips to fix the issue are what the users most care about. Part 1. How to fix iPhone cannot link to wireless network. 1. Check the status of Wi-Fi. The most simple and basic way is to check the status of your wireless network. What you need to do is just swiping from the bottom edge of the screen to open the control center. Another way to turn Wi-Fi on or off is going to Settings. Just click on the icon of Settings on the iPhone screen and then tap on Wi-Fi and toggle the switch next to Wi-Fi. 2. Toggle Wi-Fi Assist. To avoid the overuse of cellular and establish a better network connection, you could navigate to Settings and choose Cellular. Next, scroll down the interface and then turn the Wi-Fi Assist on and turn it back off to guarantee its status. 3. Forget Wi-Fi network. You can go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Next, you will see an information button. Next to the network, just tap on it. Choose Forget this network selection and click on Forget in the pop-up window to confirm your action. 4. Reset network settings. If your iPhone still failed to connect to network after forgetting Wi-Fi and reconnecting it, the next method you could try is to reset your network settings. Maybe it will help get rid of iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi issue. 5. Renew lease. This option permits you to get a new IP address from your router. With it, you will be capable of linking your iPhone to Wi-Fi and the connection will not drop anymore. 6. Update iOS version. Downloading and installing the latest iOS version is wise and suggested. This means requires you to operate in a wireless network environment. 7. Reboot iPhone. Rebooting iPhone is the way that people usually use to solve some simple problem. Just press and hold the power button, then drag, slide to power off to turn your iPhone off. 8. Restart modem and router. If there is no any problem with your iPhone, you could realize that there is something wrong with the source of the wireless network modem and router. The easiest way to solve this issue is to restart the modem and router. 9. Change DNS settings. An unresolved DNS will result in a slow or even unavailable network. In this case, a new and serviceable DNS like Google DNS or OpenDNS is needed.